In this tutorial, you'll learn how to import your client's credit report, activate their credit monitoring, and adjust auto-import settings inside your Creditfixrr dashboard. Select a client to view their detailed profile and credit management options. Click this button to begin importing the client's credit report for analysis. Click here to select a different credit monitoring service provider. After selecting your preferred provider, click Save to confirm your choice. Enter your client's credit monitoring login data, then click Save. Using our one-click import system, import your client's credit report by clicking the Import Credit Report button. Confirm that you want to proceed with the credit report import. If you want to auto-import this client's future credit reports, select Yes to enable automatic credit report imports. If you would like to extend a specific amount of days you want to have before you automatically import the client's credit report, click the Extend Auto Import button. Open the drop-down to choose the number of days for extending auto import. Select the desired number of days for extending the auto import period. Close the Extend Auto Import dialog without saving any changes. Close the Credit Monitoring Services model to return to the dashboard. Your client's full credit report has been imported. Each client's credit scores are viewable from the dashboard, allowing you to review your client's credit scores faster and streamline your workflow. Great work! Your client's report is imported and auto updates are enabled, making it easy to manage their progress inside your Creditfixrr dashboard.